Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and tap on security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and tap on more security and privacy, which is at the very bottom of the list. Now scroll again and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see right here, almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it and confirm everything with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.